this is Anastasia's Hump Day Happenings. I am here in Las Vegas at the American Dental Association, and today I am with Dr. Lauren Levine. He is with Dental Technology Consultants, and I've got to share something with you. You know, HIPAA protects our privacy and everything like that. However, there are some things I didn't know that I feel the public should ask their dental professionals. Just how protected are we in the dental offices? These are questions you should ask your dentist, because I got to tell you, your information is yours and somebody else could get it. So, Dr. Levine, just give us a couple of things. What's going on out there?
There's a lot of concern out there, Anastasia. As you know, dental offices are trying to go paperless and chartless. It's a big deal right now, but the problem is that as we do that, we have data that's now on our computer systems that is very subjected to be breached. People can get in there. You've got cleaning crews that come into the offices. You've got employees that maybe aren't happy. You have data that you're backing up and taking home with you that you're not encrypting, that you're leaving in your car, or it's unprotected data. And with HIPAA, with the HITECH Act, there are some very serious penalties for the dental office to do this. The problem is for most dental practices, they just don't know about it. They don't know.
So there's a law in effect and nobody knows what can happen, what our responsibilities as professionals. And it's twofold, because as a patient, we think we're protected.
That's correct. And most dental practices have no clue what they need to be doing from a security standpoint, from a privacy standpoint. And even though the government has these very serious penalties if you don't do it, how do you protect your patients if you don't know what you're supposed to be doing?
So what would a patient ask their practice?
They would ask them things like, are you encrypting the data on the server? Can other patients see my name on your schedule?
Okay.
How are you backing up your data? Does anyone have access to it? Are you changing your passwords on a regular basis? These are just real basic things that an office should be doing. Unfortunately, most practices don't do it.
So just because you think you're backing up, we think our information is protected, and it may not be.
Absolutely, unfortunately.
So you have a service that will help them out.
We have a few services. Certainly we do what's called a HIPAA evaluation, where we can put software on the computers. We can see what they've got going on with their systems, make some recommendations, we can remediate it, we can show the practice how to do their own HIPAA analysis so that they can make sure that they're current with all the laws and regulations.
That's killer.
It's killer, it's not that expensive, and compared to what the fines are for the practice if they don't do it, it's a drop in the bucket.
Well, how can somebody get a hold of you then? Can you share what if we're interested in a system? Because I'm going to ask my dentist, and I would encourage you to ask your dentist to see if your information is protected. So what can we do?
They can come onto my website, www.thediginaldentist.com.
Okay.
I'm on Facebook at facebook.com/thediginaldentist. They can find me on Twitter, The Digital Dentist.
He's everywhere.
I'm everywhere. They can call us toll free, 866-204-3398.
Awesome.
We're everywhere.
You're the king of technology. It's good to be king, and thank you for helping us make a difference. So until next Wednesday, take what you learn and make a difference with it.